Thank you all, dear viewers outside there. You are most welcome to listen to the programs that we have for today. First of all, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Musa Abdi. I'm a Ugandan nationality. I'm an English teacher from Uganda. Today we are going to talk with you people about the English program that we undertake here in Nile University. In Nile University, we have English program that we always look at the basic 4 skills that we always engage in learning English program. That is speaking, reading, listening, and writing. These 4 skills are always there to improve your English language so that you will know how and where to use English effectively. In Nile University, we have levels of classes. We have level 1, level 2, level 3, and we also have diploma program in Nile University. Each level is for 3 months. Diploma level is for 1 year. Therefore, my dear students outside there, not only students alone, also those who would like to come and join Nile University for English program, all these levels are available. And there are also some other people who lack special classes because they might be working in class offices and they might not have specific time to join other classes. So we also arrange for them special classes. We have full-time, we have part-time classes. Full-time is in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Part-time, we have morning classes, afternoon classes, and evening classes. My dear students and the viewers outside there, you are most welcome to learn English language in Nile University. We also undertake some other activities to improve on speaking English language in Nile University. These programs of the activities include discussions which can be done among teachers and the students or among the students themselves, which are always organized by the teachers. We also have debates where topics are given to students and they prepare themselves. And we get time and they come and they talk about the topic of the debate. Not only that, we also organize discussion groups. These discussion groups are always on topics which are always given to the students. Lastly, we also have other presentations where topics are given to students. They come and they present in front of other students. So all these are to improve the speaking skills of the students in the Nile University in all the classes. And the most important, always we first work on is to remove the fear in the students. Why? Because most people begin learning English at late age. So they have a lot of fear before they come into class, which will make them to speak better. The first thing that we work out is how to make the fear to go out of you. So therefore, that is always our target and we always succeed in that target. So therefore, students, viewers, listeners outside there who are also learning English in other various departments, not only departments, universities, we also have other private English learning institutions. Once you have heard about our program, you are most welcome. We have dedicated teachers, qualified, hardworking, who are ready and ever working on the students to see that they have success in English language program in Nile University. Always we look at excellence for future. Therefore, I beg to stop here. Assalamu alaikum.